you now have a complimentary Optimus. Beyond that, you are free to do anything, with the sole constraint being that it will prevent you from committing a crime. Elon Musk has once again captured the media's attention with his declaration that Tesla intends to provide everyone with at least one free Tesla bot. This robot is designed to be our companion, guarantee our well-being, and step in if we display inclinations toward dangerous actions. Imagine the intrigue of having an intelligent robot constantly by our side, offering reminders and ensuring total security for ourselves, our elderly relatives, and especially our young, innocent, and unaware children. While it sounds like something straight out of RoboCop, a closer look at Musk's idea of a free Optimus has provoked varied reactions, bringing up serious concerns regarding its financial viability, personal privacy, and legal ramifications. So how can one actually acquire a free Tesla bot? Are there any prerequisites? What is Musk's specific intention with this endeavor? And what might consumers need to forfeit to receive a free bot? Welcome to the Auto Fusion. At the recent annual shareholders meeting, where Tesla's board approved a massive compensation package for Musk, the CEO presented a vision where Optimus could function as a humane form of house arrest, serving as an alternative to traditional imprisonment. As per Elon Musk, Tesla's humanoid robots would track individuals, ensure their safety around the clock, and intervene if they show any harmful intent, while still allowing the owners to maintain freedom in their daily routines. However, some critics argue that the notion of simply giving away these robots for free is challenging to justify in practical terms. An Optimus robot, with its ability to move with flexibility, process visual data, and make decisions using artificial intelligence, could cost tens of thousands of dollars to manufacture. A humanoid robot fitted with AI sensors and physical interaction capabilities is certainly not inexpensive. Tesla is a corporation focused on profit, not a charitable organization. Therefore, who exactly would bear the cost for this free distribution? So far, no practical economic model exists that would enable Tesla to mass-produce these robots without a corresponding income stream. Analysts speculate that it might involve substantial initial funding from the government, or in a less desirable scenario, the free robots could come with conditions regarding their usage time. Beyond the financial aspects, privacy and constant personal monitoring are significant worries. A robot that is perpetually following you, observing your actions, and intervening whenever it detects a potential for danger. Can that truly be as benevolent as Musk suggests? If visual, auditory, and behavioral data are collected non-stop, crime prevention could become the perfect justification for an extensive surveillance system. There have already been numerous instances of personal data breaches involving humanoid robots. For example, one of the most serious recent security issues in the humanoid robot sector was the investigation into the unitary G1 robot, published by the cybersecurity firm Alias Robotics Spain in September 2025. This discovery sent shockwaves through the technology industry, exposing clear violations in the collection and transmission of users' personal data without their consent. The unitary G1 robot was sold with a starting price of $16,000 and has been widely used in research facilities, law enforcement agencies, and is anticipated for deployment in private homes. According to the investigative report, the unitary G1 secretly transmitted sensor data to servers in China every 5 minutes, entirely without the owner's knowledge. The data transmitted included audio from its dual microphones, images from 6 Intel RealSense cameras, GPS location, movement information from over 20 motors, and various other specifications such as battery status and readings from auxiliary sensors. At its core, this behavior was not merely a technical glitch. It represented a systematic infringement on personal privacy, directly violating the fundamental tenets of the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR). Alias Robotics issued a formal disclosure warning to Unitary Robotics, but after some initial correspondence, the Chinese company ceased communication. Although Unitary implemented a few minor fixes, significant security flaws remain unaddressed, and the regular stream of telemetry data continues to flow to servers in China. This incident not only raises questions about manufacturer accountability in the age of artificial intelligence, but also serves as a stark warning about the potential for robots to become tools of espionage, blurring the boundary between utility and privacy infringement more than ever before. From a legal and ethical standpoint, the situation grows even more complicated. How could a robot determine what constitutes preparing to commit a crime without violating fundamental human rights? And if Optimus makes a mistake, who would be held legally responsible? Ultimately, This might be just another one of Musk's characteristic public relations tactics, unveiling a provocative vision to keep his brand prominently featured, regardless of its practical feasibility. Optimus could represent a significant advance in robotics, but a free Optimus for everyone. It sounds captivating, yet it remains far from a tangible reality. But even though everything is still far from being real and many uncertainties persist, it is a fact that Tesla bots have the potential to help alleviate poverty. And Tesla is already putting this into practice, not just planning it. So, how exactly could Tesla bots contribute to fighting poverty? In fact, Optimus will genuinely eradicate poverty. Optimus will provide people with extraordinary medical attention. During the 2025 annual shareholder meeting of Tesla Inc., and similar to the previous year's meeting, the focus was once again on the Tesla bot project. Elon Musk transformed this year's gathering into what felt like a live science fiction display. At the assembly, Musk provided several new updates and plans for the Tesla bot. He confidently stated that the robot could one day become more common than smartphones and might even help eliminate poverty by performing valuable work. He emphatically stated, Optimus will truly eliminate poverty. Optimus will deliver astonishing medical care to people. He envisions that within a few decades, everyone on Earth will desire their own personal robot, something akin to R2-D2 or C-3PO from Star Wars, but far smarter, more functional, and above all, more human-like. These Tesla robots won't merely handle routine chores or carry heavy loads. They will be capable of assisting in surgical procedures at a level of precision that surpasses even the most skilled human surgeons. In Musk's own words, Optimus will ultimately be better than the best human surgeon, reaching a degree of accuracy beyond human capability. The concept of a machine standing at your kitchen counter, preparing a sandwich or reaching into the refrigerator for a drink, once seemed almost preposterous. Cooking and cleaning involve more than just brute strength. They demand finesse, adaptability, and the delicate control of human hands. Tasks that even the most advanced machines have struggled with for years. That is where the Tesla bot Gen 3 introduces a groundbreaking advancement. Tesla has engineered Optimus with a level of anatomical and biomechanical accuracy that closely mirrors human design. The human hand, with its numerous joints, tendons, and muscles, is capable of both immense power and subtle delicacy, ranging from managing heavy pots to threading a needle. To replicate this, Tesla has incorporated dozens of mini actuators inside each robotic hand, allowing for up to 22 degrees of freedom. In simple terms, each finger can move, bend, and react almost like a real one. It's not just mechanical, it's biomechanics integrated into hardware. While a robot effortlessly flipping pancakes in your kitchen might still be years away, the underlying technology being developed now is what will transform that once fantastical scene into a reality. Precisely because of this sophisticated hand design, Optimus can perform delicate tasks that were previously considered impossible for robots. It can cradle an egg without cracking it, slice a tomato into paper, thin pieces without crushing it, and spread mayonnaise with exactly the right pressure, a level of control that blurs the line between machine and human. Most robotics companies, such as Unitree or Boston Dynamics, have mastered agility. Their robots can run, jump, and even dance, but they still cannot peel an orange. The key difference is not strength, but fine motor control and cognitive awareness, areas where Tesla asserts its leadership. Optimus doesn't simply observe the world, it comprehends and interprets it. Utilizing an advanced combination of cameras and 3D sensors, it can identify objects in a kitchen not just by their shape, but by their intended function. Through rigorous training by Tesla engineers, the robot learns that a knife is meant for cutting, a jar contains sauces, and a pan is for cooking. This knowledge is stored and processed in Optimus's central AI brain, allowing it to make real-time decisions and execute each task with remarkable precision. Every motion, from reaching for a utensil to turning on a stove, is the outcome of millions of micro-calculations performed in fractions of a second. For over a year now, Optimus has been training 16 hours a day at Tesla's research facility in Palo Alto, California. What makes this learning process revolutionary is the method by which it acquires knowledge. Instead of being programmed line by line, as traditional robots were, Optimus learns autonomously via sim-to-real approach. It learns in the same way humans do, by observing and practicing. It watches instructional videos, observes a human preparing a sandwich or wiping a table, and then simulates the entire process in a virtual environment. Within that simulation, it makes errors, analyzes them, and gradually improves until its performance is near perfect. This continuous learning loop enables Optimus Gen 3 to master new household tasks every single day, whether it's preparing breakfast, setting the table, or organizing a cluttered kitchen. According to Musk, the upcoming version of Optimus will feature major hardware and mobility upgrades, resulting in faster reflexes, more natural walking, and improved balance on uneven surfaces. While the current prototype moves cautiously, Musk promises that by the time Optimus is ready for a commercial release, it will walk, move, and respond like a human, and most impressively, it will almost never lose its balance. Optimus is more than just a robot that follows verbal commands. It is designed to understand humans in a more profound, intuitive way. Thanks to its advanced perception systems, it can interpret not only voice instructions, but also facial expressions and body language. Imagine standing in your kitchen after dinner. You don't even need to speak. A simple glance at the stack of dirty dishes or a gesture is sufficient. Optimus recognizes your intent within seconds, metaphorically rolls up its digital sleeves, and begins the cleanup process. This ability to interpret non-verbal cues makes the interaction feel significantly more natural, almost like communicating with another person rather than a machine. The secret behind this lies in the AI-5 cognitive system that powers the Tesla Bot Gen 3. This next-generation neural architecture allows Optimus to create its own navigation maps and adapt dynamically to various home environments. Every house is unique: narrow hallways, uneven flooring, cluttered rooms, and pets rapidly moving around. Using its integrated cameras, depth sensors, and real-time processing unit, Optimus constantly scans its surroundings, constructs a three-dimensional layout of the home, remembers the location of furniture, understands room connections, and moves seamlessly between them without colliding with objects. So, when can we expect the release of the Tesla Optimus 3? Musk believes Optimus could eradicate poverty and provide excellent healthcare for everyone. This is perhaps his most audacious claim yet. That technology can not only generate profit but actually save the world. According to Musk, the essential components required to bring Optimus into existence have largely been present within Tesla's existing ecosystem for some time. He pointed out that the company's vehicles are themselves robots, albeit four-wheeled ones. For example, the concept of the autonomous robo-taxi is fundamentally a robot. Tesla's electric cars already incorporate a battery pack, power electronics, motors, a gearbox, connectivity, AI-driven vision, a processing chip, control software, and fleet management capabilities. All the very components necessary to construct a humanoid robot. Thanks to this established foundation, Musk confidently asserted that Tesla is fully equipped to become the global leader in manufacturing human-form robots. Optimus is simply a robot with arms and legs, he stated. Essentially, from this perspective, Tesla is currently the world's largest robot manufacturer. He highlighted three primary challenges that many robotics firms face. First, the engineering of the forearm and hand, because the human hand is an incredibly complex and extraordinary device. Second, the application of artificial intelligence in a real-world environment. And third, the ability to scale production to mass volumes. Elon emphasized that the human hand is a masterpiece, highly dexterous, subtle, and delicate. Replicating it is the biggest technical hurdle. Yet, he believes Tesla is the only company today that possesses all three of these capabilities. Something that competing firms, such as Boston Dynamics or Figure AI, still lack. Tesla manufactures millions of cars annually, has an AI team developing its full self-driving software. And speaking about the latest version of the robot, Musk said, "When you see Optimus 3, you'll feel like you're looking at a person in a robot suit." That's basically how we started with Optimus. Currently, the robot is at version 2.5 and is already capable of moving independently, navigating office spaces autonomously, recharging itself, and performing basic tasks. But Musk declared that the next generation, Optimus 3, will be a genuine leap forward. He expects it to debut in the first quarter of the coming year. Meanwhile, Tesla's development roadmap shows that version 4 is scheduled for 2027 and version 5 for 2028. The goal is to release major upgrades annually, each with substantially increased production capacity. And indeed, Musk reiterated Optimus 4 in 2027, Optimus 5 in 2028, with each year bringing significant improvements. But Musk also stressed the reality behind the ambition. To support such immense scale, Tesla will need to construct its own massive semiconductor fabrication facility. We're probably going to have to build a gigantic chip fab. Got to be done. With millions of robots and self-driving vehicles requiring high-performance processors, Tesla cannot rely on external suppliers. This signals Musk's intention to position Tesla as a serious contender not only in vehicles but also in AI hardware and chips. In the same speech, Musk redefined Tesla's mission, shifting from sustainable energy to sustainable abundance. He stated that the new objective is not only to deliver clean energy, but to enable lasting prosperity. People can have everything they desire, from goods and services to healthcare, while still preserving the natural beauty of the world. With Optimus, Tesla envisions a future where humans are liberated from exhausting labor and robots help sustain the economy without causing environmental damage. Elon Musk suggested that instead of confining criminals in prisons, society might provide them with a free Optimus robot to monitor them and prevent them from committing crimes. Behind this somewhat humorous suggestion lies